Hello everyone! Today we continue working with comfortable raglan sleeves. Last time I showed you how to adjust a basic pattern into the one for a comfortable raglan sleeve. I've adjusted the armhole and the sleeve itself. We're working with raglan sleeves now, but I'll also show you some interesting and useful techniques about other details too. I've decided to make a warm dress. Have a look here. You can see that the front is wider than the back. What if I decided, for example, to make an inseam pocket? I wouldn't be able to do it because of the fact that the seam is closer to the back. I need to adjust the pattern. You can do it the same way. I want to cut 3.5 centimeters off the front. If you want to make inseam pockets, or if you want to make a wide dress, it's better for you to make the details even. Now I need to attach this piece here. Alright, this is the new side seam. I'm not sure yet if I want to make a wide dress or a closed fit. If you want to make a wide dress, it should fit you close here under the armholes, and then become wider. This is how it should look like. I'll cut a dress along the pattern. Due to the fact that I've adjusted the pattern, I can make inseam pockets. I've recently showed you how to make them. Have a look at the dart. If you are the same size as I am, you can make a small princess seam here. I'm not going to make it now, but I want you to know that it's possible to make it. If you make a princess seam, you should move a dart here. You can make a dart here too. Don't be afraid of experiments and learn to use your imagination. Now let's get back to the raglan sleeves. This is a modern fabric, so I'm not afraid to waste it. I make the side seams longer, not making them narrower. I've decided to make a dress so that I don't need to look for a suitable skirt. If a pattern is accurate, you can cut fabric right along it. Notice that this line is absolutely straight. I think that after watching these videos, you won't be afraid of making raglan sleeves. I don't like to make darts in the armholes, but there is nothing I can do about it now. I've cut the front and now I'm cutting the sleeves. Where I cut the back, I'll tack the item. The way these details look now depend on how you attach the sleeve patterns to the front and the back. I'll make a notch on the front detail. The front and the sleeves are ready. Now I'll cut the back. I don't pay attention to the dress itself because I just want to show you sleeves and shoulders. You can make a lot of different dresses on the basis of this pattern. When I finish cutting the back, I'll tack the dress. I'm not going to make inseam pockets now. I just wanted to show you how to adjust the pattern in case you decide to make them. I've already tacked one sleeve, and now I'll tack the second one. I pinned the details before tacking. If you design details accurately, you won't have any problems when taking them. The sleeves are ready, so now I can start taking the dress itself. I've already tacked the center back, darts, and one of the side seams. Now I'll tack the second side seam. When taking side seams, you should pay attention to the way the armholes look. These parts should be round. It's very important. Now I'll tack the second side seam, and after that I can start taking the sleeves to the bodice. I match notches on the waistline and start taking from them. Have a look here. This line is absolutely straight, but this part should be round. Don't try inserting sleeve before you make sure that the armhole is correct. You can see that the armhole is round now. I need to fix these seams because I've cut their ends. This is how the dress looks like now. Now I can start inserting sleeves. Here's the notch, so these details should be attached to the front. I match the edges and start taking. The width of the seam should be 7 millimeters. Don't stretch or gather a sleeve when taking. Take it the way it is. I've tacked about half of the front side of the sleeve. Now I'll move on to the back side. You can see that all the details match. I don't even try to match them when taking. If you stretch a sleeve when taking, it won't even look good. This is the sleeve and this is the dress. I don't gather the seam, but the most important thing is for it not to be stretched. Have a look here. My hands are inside the sleeve now. This is how it naturally fits. I need to take it this way. I insert a pin here to fix the fabric. If I match the details, the sleeve won't fit me good. When I finish taking the sleeve, I'll turn it out to show you. What is interesting is the fact that the second sleeve will look absolutely the same. Don't cut this extra piece right after taking. You need to turn the sleeve out first and check if everything is correct. I think that it will look amazing. I'll show you how it will look like both from the right side and from the wrong side. I'm glad I've decided to make such a thorough tutorial on how to make raglan sleeves. I will tack the second sleeve the same way. This is how the sleeve looks like now. Front side, back side. If I put a hand inside, I can see that there are no waves or folds here. You can see that the sleeve is tacked perfectly, so it will look amazing on a body too. Now I'll tack the second sleeve the same way. You can see that I've put the tacked dress on. It's very comfortable even though it's just tacked. Both the shoulders and the armholes fit me perfectly. Of course, there's still a lot of work ahead with this dress. I think that I've showed you a lot of useful things in this tutorial. Now you know how to adjust a basic pattern, how to design raglan sleeves, and how to insert them. You also know that there are different types of raglan sleeves. You can make them of any form you like. I've showed you the 4 options. That's all for today. Don't be afraid of making raglan sleeves, and remember that practice makes perfect. My name is Paukshte Irina. Subscribe to my channel and write comments. Goodbye.